Hey guys, this is Bani, and I'm currently navigating life in my 20s. In today's episode of my life, my father visits me in Delhi, and I also go back home a week later. But when he visits me in Delhi, we go around, shop, eat some of the most amazing meals, and have the time of our lives. So I hope you guys have fun watching. Good morning, guys. Uh, you might be wondering why do I look like this with a very huge, it's very huge, like very huge backpack on my back. So it is it's Friday morning. I do not know why all of my vlogs have to start Friday morning, but I think probably something about Friday. So anyways, it's Friday morning, and it is oh god, I just climbed 3 floors carrying this huge backpack. So breathe. But anyways, it is Friday morning and my father just arrived in town. So I am so freaking happy. I went to pick him up. Not exactly pick him up. He came to the campus, and since it's 6 in the morning, there is the hotel that we booked. The check-in opens at 12. So I asked one of my friends to let him crash in the room for a while. He can change, he can get all freshened up. Then we can head out, probably have breakfast in my mess, and take a tour of the campus, like a walking tour sort of a situation. So I just went to my friend's hostel. The both of us received him, and now he's there freshening up, resting a bit. I will also go and unpack this bag because my mother sent a bunch of stuff. There is another one of these bags with my father, but that amount of stuff is in his luggage already. So I'll have to empty this bag, give it to him so he can refill it and give it to me again. So my mother sent me a ton of stuff. I'm not complaining. I absolutely love it. I wanted everything that she's actually sent me. So yeah, that is my good morning, and I am going to take you around for 3 days while I show my father around the city. Not exactly show him around the city, also he has a marathon this Sunday, so he's planning to take it a little easy. I had a full ass entire Delhi tour itinerary planned, which he ditched because he's my father and he wants to focus on the marathon, and also partially he just wants to sit in a cafe and yap with me. He's just there sukh dukh baatne aaye hain, as he says. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to it. I am gonna go to my room, unpack this whole thing, get changed a little, and then we're gonna go meet my father and take him around JNU for a morning stroll. my father is नीचे. I couldn't decide what to wear. I decided what to wear. उस पर कोई फुटवेयर नहीं जा रहा था. Changed the कुर्ती, पूरी रेडी हो गई, लिपस्टिक लगा ली उस पर, फिर से चेंज करी, इस पर भी यहाँ पे लिपस्टिक लगा लिया. But it's okay. We're ready and we look stunning. Like everything looks stunning. आज गुरुद्वारे जा रहे हैं, so we're wearing traditionals. And पापा 15 मिनट से नीचे खड़े हैं. And जूते तो नहीं पड़ेंगे बट भागना चाहिए. So hi guys, good morning. And I'm actually shooting this in the afternoon. I'll put it with the morning ka clip because I'm blank, sorry. It's been a while since I've shot. I'm so sorry. I remember I last shot when Papa came and then I got so occupied. The 3 days with him were crazy. It was amazing. The best 3 days that I had in Delhi. Then there was a little bomb drop situation. So since there's a strike going on in the campus and it was not ending, they announced exams and I was supposed to have a Viva exam on Monday, that is yesterday. So I freaked out after my father left because I hadn't studied for 3 days because I was just with him the entire 3 days completely. So then I freaked out, studied a little, but then since the strike is still ongoing, the exams did not actually happen yesterday. Then it's Tuesday today. I work with this NGO where we go to schools and we volunteer as writers for blind students, visually impaired students, and we go write their exams. So since I did not have any exam today, that's Tuesday, I went to do the volunteering and I got back and I ordered chicken rice for lunch. We're gonna have that and we're gonna study because we do have 2 exams scheduled for tomorrow, but I am 90% sure that they're not happening because of the strike until and unless the strike ends today, which the chances are very, very low. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have my lunch, get changed, and still study because, again, exams could happen at any point in time as soon as the strike ends. So that's the plan. If I will be sure that the exams are not happening tomorrow. I'm sorry, I just got a message that I was checking. So if I'll be sure that the exams are not happening tomorrow, I might actually go volunteer again tomorrow morning for an exam. So I don't know, it's all very uncertain right now, but let's see. I won't shoot much today because it will just be me studying in my room. I might go out for coffee, I'll shoot that bit, maybe figure out dinner because I'm not eating in the mess again. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me however I go along. Saturday morning and I skipped a lot of days this week because everything has been so messy regarding the strike. But we have a class today on Saturday and we're going back home and we're having a munch for breakfast and I'm very late. It's 11 बजे की class, 11:05 यहाँ हो गए तो I better run and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Good morning. This is my first morning at home. Second actually, I reached yesterday, but I do not record a lot because when I'm at home I like to take a step back. I like to lay back. I know dark circles हो रहे हैं because सुबह के 10 बज रहे हैं and I am up and I'm all dressed. ये बहुत पुरानी जीन्स है, घर में पुराने ही कपड़े होते हैं because कॉलेज से तो लॉन्ड्री आती है. But any which ways, आई मेट सम फ्रेंड्स yesterday for coffee and chat and वही 2 गधों से मैं मिलने जा रही हूँ फिर से अभी सुबह सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. तो आई हैव बिन ऑल ड्रेस्ड एंड फिर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं लेट नहीं हूँ, वो लेट है, 10 मिनट से निकलना है मुझे. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू द उडीपी दैट इज़ देयर इन इंदौर. आई लव 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 द उडीपी इन दिल्ली बट माई हार्ट इज़ स्टिल विद द वन इन इंदौर. दीज वर द गाइज जिन्होंने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था. तो देन वी मेक श्योर दैट एवरी टाइम आई एम हियर वी गो टू दिस पर्टिकुलर उडीपी वंस इन अ वाइल. एंड या दैट्स द प्लान. आई ड्राइव हाफ वे, बहुत दूर है, मेरे को आलस आता है. तो द one of my guy friends will pick me up आधे रास्ते से and then we're gonna go to UDP. And pretty much, yeah, the plan for today is that I have to have a dentist's appointment. मेरे डेंटिस्ट के पास में छप्पन है. छप्पन इज़ द फूड स्ट्रीट ऑफ इंदौर. तो अच्छा खासा खाना पीना करेंगे. देयर इज़ दिस लिटिल कैफ़े भी नहीं है, कॉफ़ी हाउस है नियर माई डेंटिस्ट. आई लव उनका कॉफ़ी, सो we're probably gonna get that जब पापा के साथ जाऊँगी दोपहर में. And I have to meet another friend in the evening. Maybe we'll go out for dinner because Papa की छुट्टी है. I don't know. And ice cream के लिए जाएंगे. And I will probably end the day just like that. So it's a very chilled, laid back सा घर का दिन. And pretty much I think that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna see you when I meet my friend. Bye.
हेलो गाइस.
Hi guys.
हम इसको झेल रहे हैं, ठीक है. आप इसको झेलो, इसके ब्लॉग में आओ. बहुत बढ़िया, सब मज़े, खाना पानी सब बढ़िया. बीवी बच्चे यूट्यूब को मत पकाओ.
बीवी बच्चे आई मेरी ऑडियंस नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं, जब बीवी बच्चे होंगे तब बढ़िया हंस लेना.
Hi guys, good evening. It's a very weird vlog that it's going to be because I just got back from home because exams का notification आ गया है. The strike has ended from what I've heard. I'm not very sure. अभी ही campus पे आई हूँ तो पता चल जाएगा 1-2 दिन में. But 99% we have our exams in the coming week. It is Saturday today. I have an exam on Tuesday. I have one on Wednesday. I have 2 on Thursday. And I have all of my classes that are going to be resumed, so it's going to be a packed, really packed week. But I am exhausted, not so exhausted altogether because I slept for a few hours दिन में because मैं बहुत थक गई थी. Then I had 2 study sessions of 1 hour each, and I am going to have I am so sorry, I am so clumsy today, I don't know. I am going to have another few study sessions probably. I am planning on having 2 or 3 more study sessions because I've got a shit ton of syllabus to catch up on, a crap ton of syllabus, because मैंने पूरे पिछले हफ्ते मस्ती मारी है घर पे. उससे पहले वाले हफ्ते पापा आए हुए थे तो मैंने और मस्ती मारी है, तो मैंने ढंग से इज्जत से कुछ भी पढ़ाई नहीं करी है. तो अच्छा खासा सिलेबस कैच अप करना है. तो आई डोंट यूजुअली रिकॉर्ड माई सेल्फ व्हेन आई एम स्टडिंग, बिकॉज दैट्स जस्ट ठीक है यार, पढ़ रही हूँ, पढ़ रहे हैं तो शांति से, लाइक एवरीवन स्टडीज, सो फाइन. हाँ मतलब आई एम जस्ट गोना स्टडी फॉर अ बिट मोर एंड आई माइट रिकॉर्ड इट, आई माइट नॉट रिकॉर्ड इट, बट either ways it's Sunday tomorrow, it's just going to be a whole studying wala day, so I'll take you along. Bye.